in action.
Good morning, happy campers.
Oh yeah, Heidi hi.
Heidi hi. We'll just show one that is filmable for YouTube.
Oh, I see. I know what it is. And there is, in fact, a city just up the road here, 10 miles away, that did say no to that. Oxford.
Yes.
Well done, people of Oxford. You stood up, they backed down, you won. Well done. So this isn't goodbye from 4x4 fella, just so long, because we're going to meet up for Lee's Preppers Meet.
For Lee's Prepping Meet.
In a couple of weeks' time.
Yep, we will be up there, and I'll see you up there.
Thanks for the dry run, buddy.
Thanks for the dry
yeah,
run.
learned a lot.
Blast, as usual, so, and I'll see you in 2 weeks, and I'll see everyone that's up at Lee's. Peace out.
Ta-da. How the hell did that be? Get inside my van. Don't hide in there. Oh, he's dropped onto the pillow now, and I've opened the back door. Maybe I can just blow it away. Yes! It's a very sad thing to see bees walking these days. What the hell is going on with the environment? Well, my van has developed a juicy little problem here. I'm stuck in third gear. I've still got the clutch, but the gear selector doesn't link to the gearbox anymore. So this is the vehicle's top speed, 45 miles an hour. You can see I'm still in limp mode. Great. And I've had to regain my old skill of timing the traffic lights just right, because the previous problem was when the clutch went, but I had the gearbox. Now the gearbox is gone, but I have the clutch and third gear only. So that means no uphill starts. I can slip it and start slowly on the flat. So I've decided what I'm going to do is just nurse it back to that parking spot close to where I work and reassess my options there. So you can see we're at traffic lights here. I've slowed right down. Oh, just about to stall. Oh, and I got it back. That was lucky. If you can say that having your gear selection rod pop out is lucky. Oh, they got me, and it's slightly uphill. No, that's it. Right, I'm still in third, nothing else there. I'll have to see if I can get up that hill in third when the lights change. It's so tough. I'll put my hazards on. Okay, lights change. Maximum revs, clutch in. Oh, still slipping. I'm rolling. Oh, I got the hill start without stalling. That's good. Hazards off. Keep going. Oh, that's good. Confidence building stuff. Well, that's the beauty of buying the cheapest van on Gumtree with a short MOT. You're always going to be offered character building experiences as part of the driving experience. It's only an indicated 44 miles an hour. I looked at the sat nav in the dash cam. It's actually 39, but I'm not holding up the people behind me too badly. I can't pull in though, which is a legal requirement to pull in if you're holding people up. Roundabout, slick.
Exit the roundabout onto A420.
Oh, late call. You know what? Third gear is the best possible gear to be stuck in on normal roads. Because most of the speed limits here are 30, 40 and 50. You know, when I'm doing a sharp turn, I can pull that off down to 10 miles an hour and it'll still be taking over. Perfect. Win-win. Just a couple more roundabouts now. Yeah, plain sailing. It's quite a quiet Friday night. Easy. And here I arrive at my safe space. Lovely. There's a little bit of a mound there, so I'll drive up. So I've got a chance of looking underneath. Well, it had to wait until September to be bloody hot. It's 30 degrees C, very humid. I'm out in the open. Shadows over there, but I didn't anticipate that when I pulled in last night. Right, of course the gear mechanism is in an extremely inaccessible part of the engine bay. Even more inaccessible than the EGR that I was looking at a while ago. Okay. There it is. There's the gear selector. Properly inaccessible. I have a mission to Wales on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And it's the Saturday before that. Right, time to start removing things, gain access. Right, so this is the valve cover here, probably the cams in there, God knows what. This is called a breather tube, and what it does is it unbelievable this thing exists, right, is it takes all the dirty oil from the engine and shoves it back into the air intake through the EGR unit. What? Why does that even need to exist? Bloody mad, isn't it? Anyway, I've got all that off, so you can see the gear lever linkage mechanism here. Now, so we need to find where that loose bit there was broken off from, and I think it's badly broken. It might need to be replaced. Oh, but there's no access at all in there. Oh, got quite far. This is the yoke selector, got it. and this is the up-down selector. So third, neutral, fourth. If I'm really clever, I can engage reverse, I have the clutch this time, and I can bring it round into that shade where I can work comfortably under the blazing heat of the late summer. Indian. So it's currently in neutral, so moving to the left, that's the first and second selector. In the middle, that's the third and fourth selector, and to the right it would be the fifth gear and reverse selector. So while that's pushed over there, I need to get the up-down yoke linked into reverse. I think I've clicked it into reverse, so let's get all the stuff nice and safe there. And I'm assuming that the air mass flow indicator won't affect it starting. So now all I have to do is turn it on with the clutch lever depressed, a little bit of gas, slowly let off the clutch lever and just send it to the shade. Right. Don't touch the gear lever. Clutch in, because it's in some kind of gear. A little bit of throttle. You know, sometimes I just, in all humility, amaze myself by my own genius. Luxury. All my tools and stuff are over there. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Wish I had some more light on the subject now. You shall not pass. Right, stuck in reverse now, so gonna need to really need a friend, but I've only got 3,600 subscribers and they've only just found out, and they don't. Nobody knows how much help I need until they see this video. The answer was slide the seat forward and wedge my torque wrench box on the clutch. Now, to see if I can pull it out of reverse without that needless tension from the driving wheels. Easy as that. It just moved. The reverse, neutral, fifth. Right, there's a rod loose in there. There, oh, you can see it. I've got to find out where it attaches to and how to fix it back in. And that will be the subject of the next episode of Socks with Sandals.